Hey there, tech fans! Today we're looking at something super cool, the nuclear diamond battery. This little battery packs a big punch and could change how we power our stuff, maybe even for thousands of years. Pretty neat, huh? Let's dive in. Think about a battery you never have to replace, ever. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's real. Scientists at the University of Bristol in the UK made the world's first nuclear-powered battery. They did this by putting a tiny bit of radioactive stuff inside a diamond. Here's the trick. This nuclear battery doesn't need any moving parts to make electricity. No spinning magnets, no gears. It just uses a diamond near some radioactive material, and boom, electricity. It's kind of like solar power, but instead of sunlight, it uses radiation. This idea isn't brand new. Back in 2017, the same university showed off a test version using nickel-63. But now they've made it even better by using carbon-14 inside lab-grown diamonds. Why carbon-14? Simple. It gives off a type of radiation that doesn't travel far. Any solid thing can stop it. This makes the battery super safe, even though it uses radioactive stuff. Professor Neil Fox from Bristol said it perfectly. Diamond is the toughest stuff we know. Nothing else could protect us better. The carbon-14 comes from graphite blocks used in nuclear power plants, so it's actually recycling waste. So how much power does it make? One of these nuclear diamond batteries with 1 gram of carbon-14 makes 15 joules of electricity a day. A regular AA battery gives you more power quickly, but it dies in a day. The nuclear diamond battery lasts for, get this, 5,730 years. That means it takes thousands of years to lose just half its power. Imagine a spaceship using this battery. It could fly all the way to Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to us, without losing much power. That's pretty amazing, right? These batteries could be used for all sorts of things, from powering gadgets and medical things like pacemakers to working in tough spots like deep-sea oil rigs. The possibilities are huge. They can even power tiny trackers in space and here on Earth. A team from Bristol and the UK Atomic Energy Authority built these batteries near Abingdon, Oxfordshire. They have no moving parts, need no maintenance, and don't pollute the air. It's a real engineering wonder. So there you have it, the nuclear diamond battery, a tiny but powerful thing that could change the world. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more cool tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.